Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales strategies with iContact, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify sales strategies with iContact, start by logging into your iContact account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your primary tools. Select the Contacts tab to review your current contact list. Segment your contacts based on specific attributes that align with your sales strategies. Next, create a new email campaign to test your sales message. Craft the email content, ensuring it reflects the principles of your sales strategy. In the email, include clear calls to action that prompt engagement. Choose a target segment from your earlier contact segmentation. Set up tracking parameters to monitor engagement metrics. Schedule the email for delivery at an optimal time based on your audience's preferences. After sending, wait for the email campaign to generate initial results. Monitor open rates and click-through rates closely after distribution. Analyze how well different segments responded to your sales message. Use the data from the campaign to understand which strategies resonate best. Gather insights on customer behavior from the responses received. Adjust your sales strategies based on the data analysis from your campaign. Consider A/B testing with different variations of your message for further verification. Keep refining your approach based on ongoing feedback and performance metrics. Document all findings to track improvements over time. Repeat the process regularly to ensure your sales strategies remain effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.